going back.
It's on the floor now. You've dropped it.
Thanks, Dad.
Thanks.
Michael, can I work?
Just be there.
We need to talk about Lester's lunches.
I told you.
We need to talk about it properly.
It's not your decision.
Calmly, rationally, without our emotions becoming
Well,
involved.
you can discuss all you want. The answer's still no.
We can put it up there again.
You've always been fair with your decision making. It's changed. We both know that Lester's is a better set up to provide healthy lunches within our budget. Charlie's is a much smaller operation and it has been struggling since Rebecca left. That's what this is about, isn't it?
No.
Rebecca's gone. You can't keep holding a grudge against Paul.
Robinson's.
Look, I don't disagree. But what's happening is
What's he got against that bell?
It's a good game, miss. Good game.
the fight's over, Michael. Let's go.
Yeah, it's definitely gone.
Can't see it, yeah?
This new contract
Where's it go?
is a chance to move forward for you and for the kids at school. You know it's the right thing to do.
Take that. Take that, you dastardly bell. Don't come back again.